Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 11 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating Fini Roti, which is a dish made in Nepal during festivals and special occasions. Unfortunately, I have never been to Nepal or tried Fini Roti, so if you have tried it, then let me know how it tastes and feel free to send me some. For those like me who don't know what Fini Roti is, I've added the link for the recipe in the description box. I used the recipe from Yummy Nepali Kitchen. Even though the video is in one of the Nepali language, it does have English subtitles and is quite easy to follow. Also, if you have a favorite dish, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to illustrate it in the next few weeks. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.